children, today let's start with chapter number 14, air, water and weather. So in this chapter, let's study about air. Air is a mixture of gases. It is present all around us. We cannot see air, but we can feel it. It has weight and occupies space. Air is necessary for breathing and birth. We breathe in air, but burns the food in our body to give us energy. Right, let's study about the composition. We have 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% other gases. So let's study about the composition. Air is made up of gases, dust, smoke and water. The composition of gases in the air: nitrogen 78, oxygen 21, carbon dioxide 0.3, gases 0.7%. Moving air is called wind. The speed of wind affects the changes, the weather of the place. So in nature, the sun heats up the land, so the air near the land also get heated up. The hot air expands and rises up. When the hot air moves up, the cold air takes place. So these movement caused by hot and cold air is known as convectional current. So what is humidity? Amount of water vapor जो air में present होता है. So let's study about the types of breeze. We have sea breeze and land breeze. Sea breeze क्या होता है? जब डे टाइम होता है तो what happen, जो लैंड है वो गर्म हो जाता है. ठीक है, मतलब जो सी होता है उससे ज्यादा जल्दी गर्म हो जाता है. So the hot air from the land rises and cool airs from the sea rushes to take its place. So जो wind होती है वो blow करती है from sea towards the land. So what it is called? It is called sea breeze, right? Land breeze: at night the land cools faster than sea water. The air above the sea water is more warmer than the air above the land. So warm air rises और जो cool air होती है from the land, it rushes towards the sea. So इसको क्या कहा जाता है? Land breeze. Then we have weather. So day to day condition जो होती है atmosphere की, किसी भी place की at any given time, it is called weather. It may be hot, cold, rain, windy, cloudy, dry or humid. और जो weather होती है changes from day to day, time to time and place to place. We have sunny weather, windy weather, cloudy weather, right? So the weather of a place depends upon wind, air pressure, clouds, temperature and moisture. ये जो factor है ये दूसरे पे depend होती है. Now the sun rays fall directly on the earth during noon time, making it is the hottest part of the day. Sun rays fall slanting on the earth during morning and evening, right? So we can say that the sun is also responsible for land breeze or for sea breeze also. Water. It is Earth is also known as blue planet because fourth part of the earth is covered with water. जो fourth part है वो किससे covered है? Water से. ये most important है और abundant compound है. Water is the only form of matter which is available. चाहे वो solid के form में हो, liquid के form में हो, ice के form. Sources of water for village, towns and cities: rivers, lakes, ponds, wells, tube wells, underground. Rains occur because of evaporation and condensation of water in nature. So let's study about the factors जो affect करते हैं आपके evaporation को, like high temperature और heat of the sun. During the daytime what happen? जब sun burn करता है, जो heat होती है जो temperature की वो hot होती है at a place, open place, but at the same time in a place of show we cannot feel the high temperature of the sun. और जो process होता है evaporation का वो भी आपके temperature से affect होता है. When the exposed surface is larger, so the larger surface area of water is done faster. Water evaporates faster from large shallow lakes as compared to smaller, deeper. Water in ponds evaporates faster than water in wells. Now strong winds favors evaporation. Take two clothes with equal amount of water, place one under fan, other under fan or wet. ठीक है, आप नोटिस करोगे कि आफ्टर 1 hour the water in the clothes under the fan has evaporate faster. यही एक्सप्लेन करता है why wet clothes dry faster in windy day and we feel cooler and under a fan because of this. Sweat evaporates quickly. Now what is condensation? Condensation क्या होता है? It is the process when water vapor, जब water vapor cools down होता है and it changes into water droplets, वो water condense होता है. इसी process को हम condensation कहते हैं. We have different forms of condensation. Right? Rain जो fall करती है because water vapors in the air gets condensed and they fall from clouds. Dew drops found on plants, leaves, windows, planes and cold winter morning. और वाटर कंडेंस करता है. फॉग ये विंटर में फॉर्म होता है जब वाटर वेपर condenses on the dust particle close to the ground. Frost formed when water vapor freezes into ice crystal in winter. Snow क्या होती है? बर्फ होती है, because बर्फ पड़ती है ना, उसे हम snow कहते हैं. Now sedimentation and decantation. Impure water is taken in a container. After some time, impurities जो होती है वो sand settles down, वो नीचे की तरफ बैठ जाती है. इस process को क्या कहा जाता है? Sedimentation. Clean water carefully transferred to another vessel without disturbing the settled impurities, and इस process को क्या कहा जाता है? Decantation. Then we have filtration. It is the process of removing suspended solid from water by passing it through a filter. Then what is boiling? The filtered water is not safe for drinking as it may contain harmful disease causing germs. तो उसको हम क्या करते हैं? बॉईल करते हैं, तब पीते हैं. क्लोरिनेशन हम क्या कर रहे हैं? क्लोरीन की जो टैबलेट्स है वो ऐड कर रहे हैं. वी कैन ऑल्सो क्लीन वाटर बाय फिल्टर. जैसे हम एक्वागार्ड घर में हमारे आरओ होते हैं, उनका यूज करके भी आप कर सकते हैं. नाउ स्टोरेज ऑफ वाटर. After purifying the water, it should be stored in clean and covered vessel. So we should wash our hands before taking out water from these vessels, and the container should be kept in neat and clean or covered vessel. And we should wash our hands before taking out water from the vessel. और जो container होता है, it should be kept in neat and clean place away from dustbin. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Let's start with the exercise now. Now dash is made up of gases, smoke, dust and water vapor, air. Water can be purified by filtration, boiling, all of these. Dash is formed in winter. Fog. Winter में क्या बनता है? Fog. Dash can be formed when water vapor freezes into ice, frost. Dash is the process of adding chemical in water, that is chlorination. Dash is the process, fill in the blanks. Dash is the process in which impurity settles down. तो कौन सा process होता है? Sedimentation. Dash is formed in very cold places. क्या form होती है? Snow. At night the land cools dash then sea water. तो land होता है night में, वो cool करता है faster. Wind blow from sea towards the land. It is called sea breeze. Earth is also known as, Earth को क्या कहा जाता है? Blue planet. Now write T for true and F for false statement. Making a salt from seawater. It's true. Water droplets on a chilled cold drink tin. It's true. Dewdrops on window panes. आप dewdrops देखते हो window panes पे? True. Drying of wet clothes under a fan. Feeling cool under a fan in summer season. It's true. Now complete the sentences. Earth is also called blue planet because 70% of the earth is covered with water. I'm explaining you like this only. Why Earth is called blue planet? Because 70% of the earth is covered with water. Place near the sea are cooler because क्योंकि जो sea breeze होती है वो क्या करती है? उसको ठंडा बनाती है. Close spread out dry faster because क्यों dry करते हैं faster? Because they are exposed to the wind. We should not drink water obtained from decantation because it's not good for us. Now answer the following. What is weather? और आपको फैक्टर्स बताने जो डे टू डे हमारे चेंजेस होते हैं एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशन, उसको वेदर कहते हैं. लैंड और सी ब्रीज क्या होती है? व्हाट इज इवोपरेशन व्हेन वाटर चेंजेस इनटू वाटर वेपर. ठीक है. विच आर द डिफरेंट फॉर्म ऑफ कंडेंसेशन? ड्यू, फ्रॉस्ट, ये सब आपके डिफरेंस हैं. देन यू हैव टू डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन ड्यू एंड फॉग. राइट. Hope you understood. Now we have completed this chapter. Let's meet in the next class. Exercise has been done. Thank you.